In this video, we're going to be solving one-step word problems using addition. So we'll break apart these word problems by first reading it out loud. Lily has 23 apples. Her mom gives her 17 more. How many apples does Lily have now? So when we look at word problems, we want to see what was done in the past. So it looks like we originally had 23 apples. And then it says her mom gives her 17 more. Now that key word is more, meaning that we are going to be adding this together. So we'll add 17. So now that we see how many apples does she have now, that's going to be in the present. So that just means that we are going to just add these two numbers together. So if we take this by doing long addition, what we'll do is we're going to add. We always start from right to left, so we have 3 plus 7. Now we can count this out using our fingers. We could do little sticks, so we can have 1, 2, 3. Plus another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we add that up, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now that we know that's 10, we always put the 0 for that 10 down here. We take the 1 and we carry it over to the next row. So now we're going to add up the values here. So we have 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 plus an additional 1 will give us 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we know that 23 plus 17 will add up to 40. Okay. Moving on to the next word problem. So we always want to read it out loud. So there are 15 ducks in the pond. 12 more ducks join them. How many ducks are there in total? So we take a look at what was done in the past. So originally there were 15 ducks in this pond. Now it says that 12 more ducks join them. So that key word is more, and more will always mean add. So we know that we're going to be adding, and it looks like we have 12 additional ducks that will join there. When we see that word total, that will also mean the same thing as add. So now that we know that we just add these two numbers together, we can do that by doing long addition. So we know that if we always start with the right side, we have 5 plus 2. Now you can use your fingers. We can count sticks. So we have 5 sticks plus an additional 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we take those two numbers, we add it here. Now we'll add the next column over. So we have a 1 plus a 1. That will be 2. So that means that 15 plus 12 will give us an answer of 27. Moving on to the next problem, so we see that Sam bought 28 toys in the morning and 19 toys in the afternoon. How many toys did Sam buy that day? So we know originally we have that past tense of bought, and it looks like he bought 28 toys originally in the morning, and then in the afternoon, so next he buys an additional 19. We know that it's going to be add because we're looking for the total amount of toys that he bought. So we'll add those two numbers up. We can do this by separating it out and adding vertically. So we have 8 plus 9, which will be 17. So we'll put that 7 here, and we carry the 1 to the next column. So now we'll add this all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 47.